Hello guys, welcome in this new apartment renovation episode. Today the doors came in and only the frames were installed. They look really amazing, but still the job is only halfway done. This is the bathroom door, and they are all made from massive wood. It's actually a triple layer wood, so it will not change its shape ever. The same as my door and my windows. Also, this cabinet for the bathroom, nothing fit because the bad plumber placed the hot and cold water way up here. These valves hit right in this side. Also, this sink is made in such a way that it doesn't fit perfectly. It's a difference of 5 millimeters from one side to another. And also the dimensions were offset, that the people who made this really beautiful cabinet, again it's made from massive wood, it's painted, and also it has a layer of clear coat. They managed to center, to make the hole there perfectly, but this one doesn't fit, and it makes all the sink way up here in the front. But no problem, the people who will install the doors tomorrow will cut it perfectly in such a way that the sink will fit. Also, all the stands you can see right here come just like in the case of a washing machine, in such a way that this wood feet will not stay in the water. But that one, I think the guy who worked on it got bored and screwed in and glued the screw right on the inside, and I cannot use it. I have to take it out and place a new one, which will arrive tomorrow, hopefully, and that will be solved also. Otherwise, the cabinet is really nice. It has soft close and two drawers right here. And this is how it looks inside. The good plumber told me that he will make some new holes right here, a bit down, and connect them with the ones from the kitchen. And anyway, nothing will be seen right here, all will be repaired. It's really no problem, so he will not break the entire size of a mosaic tile. Until tomorrow, the frames must be really untouched, so they will keep their aspect, their position. The scene from the kitchen is starting to take shape also, but again, you can imagine the same issues here. He also had to make a change right there and to cut everything. These wooden panels will have to be cut in this area right here to make it fit right on the wall due to these pipes right here. But again, everything will be solved. This is how the door and the frame between the kitchen and the living room looks. Everything right here will be covered in the same triple layer wood, but this will be done tomorrow. Here the door is exactly like the one from the bathroom, with the same matte screen window. So it will be really nice. Nothing will be seen on the other side. Indeed, it has a strange, let's say, model right here, but I'll see in the future. If I don't like it, I can change this entire window without a problem. I've done it in the past with the window from the kitchen. You see right that one. I must admit, this is a strange pattern, but maybe it's just me and it's due to the way the light is. It looks a bit odd. Really. I'll have to see exactly. If I don't like it, I will send it back. What the heck is this? Let's see. It is present here also, but yeah, I didn't want to go again with a chemical, I don't know, process that makes the windows matte, because after a month or so there have started to be some spots right here where the window was twisted under tension, and you could have seen right through it. Let's say it's nothing major, but I'll have to get used to these ugly shapes. I really didn't think it will look like this. But other than that, everything looks really nice. And right now, the people from the street will not be able to see straight inside the kitchen. The door between the living room and the bedroom is without a window. It's all made from wood, but the same model. It looks really, really beautiful. So, what can I say? I am almost there. tomorrow will be a full day. The electricians will come first at 8 a.m. They will finish their part. Then these workers who will finish the doors, and in the second part of the day, or maybe in the evening, the plumber will continue his job, and hopefully tomorrow he will finish, because again he's really a snappy person, although despite of his age. And yeah, I've placed my desk right here, the two closets also. The floor looks amazing. I mean, it's really something. And the new vacuum cleaner, I kept the Rowenta brand. Hopefully it will last more, and it will not get broken after I will start to vacuum clean all the dust and the wooden residue right here. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. But at the end of this week I will be back home, and I really can't wait for it. But I can tell you the new doors change the way the apartment looks in an amazing way. I mean, it's really nice. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. As always, to have only high quality workers and people who will do everything in your apartment or in your house. Have a pleasant evening, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.